feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Driving with a misfire is not safe and can lead to further damage to your vehicle. A misfire indicates that one or more of your engine cylinders are not firing correctly, which can cause uneven power distribution, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. This problem can also lead to significant engine damage over time if not addressed promptly. It's important to diagnose and repair the issue as soon as possible to maintain your vehicle's health and safety on the road.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.